Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. I will change this one into dy over dx. Next, I will put 2y go to the left, dx go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So, the integration of y, that is about y squared over number 2. The integration of x squared, that is about x to the power of 3 over 3. Number 1, that is about x, and I will put about c. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel. This one, that is about x to the power of 3. Now, we have the conditions. That means when x equals to number 1, y equals to number 4. So, I will put number 4 gone here. Number 1 gone here and here. So, I will put this one go to the left. So, we calculate this one. And we have number 14. So, I will change the value of c into number 14. Later that, I will put this one go to the left. And this is the final answer. About this one, we need to transform into dy over dx. So I will put y go to the left, dx go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of y. The integration of cosine x, that is about sine x, and I will put about c. Now we have the condition. That means when x equals to number 0, y equals to number 6. So I will put number 0 gone here, number 6 gone here. So this one, we can find the value of c. Sine of number 0, you got number 0. So we just have Ln number 6. So I will put this one gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.